Hi guys, welcome to another video on this series testing with Postman. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a mock server and test your APIs. It's very much easy. First of all, we have to create a collection. So I will create a new collection called student test, and for this collection, empty collection, let's create a mock server. Use collection from the workspace, yes, and student test is the mock server. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create it, and this is my address. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this as my environment variable. So I'll edit here my current environment variable, and so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add some examples for this mock. So to create examples, first we have to add a request. So I'll add a request called get student info, and when I click here I have 0 examples, so I will add some examples. So I go and add some example request and the response that I want for that request. So name is student info, example is 1, I'll put it as 1, and I will put the URL which we have in global environment variable. Then we'll put as /student /1, and my response should be 200. So status code should be 200. Okay, and it should return me a text telling this is student 1. You can add any response, then save it. So next is I will add another example. Info 2, and I'll give it as 200. Okay, and say this is student number 2 and save it. So I have created 2 examples. So I go back to my request. I will type URL, that is my global environment /student 1. Let's see what I should get. Yeah, I got. So I accessed my first request student 1, so it was a 200 success, and I got the response that I given. So if I access student number 2, I should get student number 2 should come given the request here. So the URL should be the global one, and I should say student /2. Save my example again. So I go back to my request and I access it. Student number 2. There you go. So we have created a mock server, and we have created examples, request examples, and we are trying to access those requests. Same way you can create post request in your mock server and test them. So this is how you create a mock server, create the request and access the request which are through mock server in Postman. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please put like in the LinkedIn post. Thanks guys.